There are many home repairs you can easily do yourself. You will now learn how to repair a door hinge with epoxy putty. First, remove any loose pieces of wood and dust from both the hinge and the hole in the doorpost. Keep the screws. Remove the protective disc and plastic lining from the putty bar. Cut off the required amount of putty to fill the hole in the doorpost. Knead it in your hands until a uniform colour is produced. Fill the hole with the mixed putty, ensuring all crevices are filled. Line up the hinge to the hole and ensure it can be attached in the correct position. The screws can be inserted into the putty when it is still soft. The hardened putty can be sanded and painted to give an authentic finish. Once the hinge is attached, leave secured overnight for full strength to be attained.